Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have an Amazon package and I got a new Rubik's Cube, guys. So I'm gonna be opening this. I gotta open this really quick. Oh, yo, this is so dope. So I'm gonna be opening my brand new Rubik's Cube. It's not Rubik's brand new, but it's a really hardcore brand. Guys, here it is. The Eyeopener Cube. This is Eyeopener sticker cube. Here it is. It's in wrapping and everything. It is way smaller than the Rubik's brand. And then it has like instructions that go with it, and it has a little screw to pop out the middle. Dang, this is hardcore to open. Smells like plastic. Here it is. This is fresh out of the factory. I can't open. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, I got it. Okay. Oh my god, it's like oily. Obviously got oiled before it came. But here it is. Sorry, my camera. Yeah, it just got oiled. I can tell. But here it is. It's really good 3x3. As you can tell, it has a screw, so you can open up the eye middle. So that's why it's called eye opener. So you can like open up the middle there. This is a really good cube. I love it. So I'm gonna go compare it to my Rubik's brand. So let's get that. Turning way smoother. They're actually the same size, so yeah. The turning is way better on this cube. It shifts really good. And I twist corners, but I'm not too sure how to do that yet. Feels like I'm gonna be solving this thing. This is like the dopest cube I've ever seen. Okay, so this comes with a little manual on how to solve the cube. Eye opener. Yeah, it tells you how to solve the cube and everything. And it comes with stickers if you have to replace it. It comes with, look at that, extra stickers. Okay, guys. So if the stickers do come off, you can replace them. This is way better. I am literally hyped right now. This is like the best Rubik's Cube. So I searched up best Rubik's Cube and this came up on Amazon. So apparently it is. The anti-pop as well, so it does not pop. It stands my speed solving. Doesn't shake like this. Nothing in there, just like the mechanics moving. Anyways, guys, that is the Eyeopener sticker cube. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like, guys, I'll be doing more cubing videos as I get better at it, because I can get a couple sides on the 3x3, but I can't solve it yet. I can solve the pyramids. So my friend actually is going to give me a castle cube, which is basically a cube where it's like castle and you can like, you gotta like solve the size of the castle. It's just like, I think it's a repaint of the mirror cube that he's gonna give me. So I'm really excited about that. But this is really cool. Like everybody wanted to see this in my school because I was telling them about it and stuff. And this is like freshly oiled and stuff. I can tell because it wouldn't be this oiled. I might have string in there. But this is probably the best cube I've ever gotten. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, guys.